Check out this 2011 Nissan Juke. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are stability control, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo, auxiliary audio input, AC, ABS, rear head airbag, driver airbag, and intermittent wipers. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.